Are you tired and don't want it to cook? Don't worry, air fryer cuts down cooking times significantly. I'm using potatoes. You can use pepperoni. Heat the pan and pour some oil. Slice potatoes. Cook until golden tender. Salt as per test. Black pepper. Change the size. Almost cooked. Take one tortilla, you can double if you want thick enough. Spread pizza sauce. Second layer of potatoes. Now it's time to set in air fryer. Third layer egg. I used one egg, you can add two. Pour the egg mixture on pizza. Cheddar, mozzarella cheese, spread olive. Set air fryer on 160 temperature for 6 minutes. Leave for 6 minutes. It's done. Cut the pizza in pieces. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Yummy, mouth-watering potato egg pizza is ready. Do try and let me know in comments.